Chandrakant K. Bhange, Assistant Professor of ENTC Department in AISSMS IOIT. IPv4 addresses. I am making this video for BENTC students. First, start with IPv4 addresses. The identifier used in the IP layer of the TCP/IP protocol suite to identify the connections of each device to the internet is called the internet address or the IP address. An IPv4 address is a 32-bit address that uniquely and universally define the connections of the host or a router. The IP address is the address of the connections, not the host or the router, because if the device is moved to another network, the IP address may be changed. IPv4 addresses are the unique in the sense that each address defines one and only one connections to the internet. If the device has the two connections to the internet via two networks, it has the two IPv4 addresses. IPv4 addresses are universal in the sense that the addressing system must be accepted by any host that wants to be connected to the internet. Address space, a protocol like the IPv4 that define the addresses has an address space. An address space is the total number of addresses used by the protocol. If the protocol uses the B bits to define an address, the address space is 2 raised to B because each bit can have two different values, 0 or 1. IPv4 uses the 32-bit addresses, which means that the address space is 2 raised to 32 or 4294 967,296. That is the more than 4 billions of addresses. If there were no restrictions, more than 4 billion devices could be connected to the internet. See the notations, address space. Now let's see the notations. There are the three common notations used in IPv4 addresses, that is the binary notations, and that means the base 2, dotted decimal notation base 256, and hexadecimal notation base 16. In binary notation, an IPv4 addresses is displayed as a 32-bit address to make the address more reliable and readable. One or more space are usually inserted between each octet, that is the 8-bit. Each octet is often referred to as the byte. To make IPv4 address more compact and easier to read, it is usually written in decimal form with the decimal point, that is called as the dot, separating the bytes. The format is referred to as a dotted decimal notations. Note that because each byte octet is only 8 bits, each number in the dotted decimal notation is between 0 and 255. We sometimes see an IPv4 address in hexadecimal notation. Each hexadecimal digit is the equivalent to 4 bits. This means that a 32-bit address has 8 hexadecimal digits. This notation is often used in the network programming. Shows an IP address in the three discussed notations. This is binary notations, dotted notations, and hexadecimal notations. address space. A protocol like the IPv4 that defines the addresses has the address space. So hierarchy in the addressing, 32-bit IPv4 address is also hierarchical, but divided only into two parts. The first part of the address, called the prefix, defines the network. The second part of the address, called the suffix, defines the node. Node means the connections of the device to the internet. See the figure. In this figure shows the prefix and suffix of 32-bit IPv4 address. The prefix length is n bits and the suffix length is 32 bits. Classful addresses. When internet started, an IPv4 addresses was designed with the fixed length prefix, but the accommodate both small and large network. Three fixed length prefix were designed instead of one. The whole address space was divided into 5 classes A, B, C, D, E, as shown in the diagram. The scheme is referred to as the classful addressing. Although the classful addressing belongs to the part, it helps us to understand the classless addressing. In a class A, the network length is 8 bits, but since the first bit, which is 0, define the class, we can have only 7 bits as the network identifier. This means there are only 2 raised to 7, which is equal to 128 networks in the world that can have a class A address. In class B, the network length is a 16-bit, but since the first 2 bits, which are 10 bits to define the classes, we can use only the 14 bits as the network identifier. This means there are only 2 raised to 14 is equal to 16,384 networks in the world that can have a class B